Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 19 Sacco management system in Laravel 10. This is my channel Error Solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL. Let's run localhost PSP my admin. Successfully working localhost PSP my admin. This is my htdoc folder inside this Sacco project. The gem folder inside this htdoc, this project name is a Sacco. Let's open this Sacco project is available. Let's check this .env file in this database name is a Sacco. This database name is a Sacco. Let's find this database name is available. This Sacco available. Let's click this user table and this available. Copy this name, copy name and this localhost Sacco project and enter. This successfully this Sacco available, and this credential admin is a copy this name and this paste here, this 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 password, and successfully login is a create. Let's new create, and this user inside this account inside user means 3 is a staff is a create. First is a available. This first is a 0 means staff, 1 means admin, 2 is a 2 is a user. Let structure create this rename sense this role sense, and this available 2 means user, this bank user. Let's save file, otherwise this is not a create, so let's change this change and this as it is. Let's not a change, click this not a change as it is good working. Let's new table create, table name is a this new table create, table name is a loan user. Click this loan user and ID. First of all, first this ID is a first name, middle name, last name, and this next add last name, address, contact, email, next add this tax ID, and next is add. This add is available 2 3 column is add, created and updated. Where and where. In this text add, this context where, email is a where, text is a where, date and time 11/255, copy paste and this 255, email is a 255, text ID 225, and null and this null. Yes, this null is a set, and this primary key, and click this go and auto increment. AL means auto increment set AL loan user. Let's successfully all set. Let's check this button, click this save. This is a new table is a create, table name is a loan user. Successfully create this loan user, good working. Let's inside this new menu create, this menu name is a loan user. Let's sidebar, open this sidebar, resource view, admin, layout in this sidebar. Copy this name is a loan user, same name is a copy and paste here, save file, and this available, and this table is a not a sense as it is working good. This is not a sense, this user table is a not a sense as it is good working. 0 means staff, 1 means admin. This is a not a sense, only as it is working good. In otherwise this new table is the sense. New create this structure, click this. Let's save file and refresh this page. Successfully available loan user. This new account create, click this. For 404 not found. Let's copy this name and web.php open. Inside this new menu, this create loan user route get, and this get method loan user new controller create loan user controller create class this index and save file. Loan user controller, copy this name admin loan user, copy this name inside this add user app http controller and loan user controller, save file. Let's create this cmd, open this cmd. Inside this not available app http controller, inside this not available this controller name loan user controller. Let's php artisan make controller loan user controller resource this new is a add resource and enter. Let's check this weight. PHP artisan make controller loan user controller successfully create. This is a controller successfully create. This name is a create. This close this and this open this controller. This automatically resource all create. Controller loan user controller successfully create this index function. This create function all is a created. Please writing this code. And this function this include this index function already create this by default. Let's echo index to 22 and I and save file and refresh this page. Successfully available, this good working. Let's return view admin loan user this index and save file. Let's copy this and this new folder create this loan user, copy this name index. Let's index blade php. Hello, save file and refresh this page. Let's check available this hello, good working. Let's open this file. Loan file is an index, copy this name, copy and this paste here, this same is a paste. Let's save and this loan user. Let's name sense loan user and new loan user save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully available this loan user, click this loan and successfully this writing this file, good working. Let's click this 404 not found page, click this and new route is a create, copy this get route, copy this same name web.php route get admin loan add, and this add loan user controller, copy this name class, and this function already lost of create. This next function is a create, this by default resource create, and save file. Let's echo a and die and save file. Let's refresh this page. Syntax error. Let's check the syntax error. This is an error. Save file and refresh this page. A is a good working, this A. Let's remove return view admin dot loan user dot create. Let's save file. Let's copy this name and new create blade dot php, successfully create in this blank hello. Save file and refresh this page. Hello is available, good working. Next is available this loan plan. Add, copy this name, copy all, copy, add and paste here. This paste, this remove and paste, successfully paste. Let's refresh this page. Successfully available. Let's name change, this step by step name change. Loan users, and this name change, this loan user same name. This first name is available, this first name. Name is a first name, and this first name. Copy this name is a text. Let's refresh this page. Successfully is available first name. Second is a middle name. This remove text middle name, text, and this middle name. Successfully save. This is not a required, it is not compulsory. Otherwise, as it is saved, this required is a compulsory middle name. This loan detail is a all name is a compulsory. This next is a last name. Copy this and paste here this last name. Save file. First name, middle name and last name, this all available. Next is a address. Copy this address, text area, and this required is a address is a text, and this copy this name, this text area, and this address field is a add. Save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully address field is a add contact us. This contact us, the same name is available, this contact us, this name is a contact. Contact name is a save file. This contact name is a refresh this page. Successfully contact is available, good working. Next is a email and text ID. Copy this email, and email. Save file. And this copy this text ID, text, text id, save file and refresh this page. Loan user, good working this. Step by step all set this, writing this all code. Please, first name, middle name, last name, address, contact name, this contact, email name and this text id, all is a required compulsory. Let's refresh this page. Successfully all set. Otherwise this compulsory required in this add this span close this plan class, otherwise style, color red and this add. Let's save. This is a compulsory required in this set. This compulsory is a required. This is a tag is a add. This required means compulsory. This copy same name is a copy and paste here. This paste here. This paste. This all is a required is a paste. Compulsory is a include. Save file. Save. Successfully save and refresh this page. Good working. This all is a required compulsory include this value. Copy this URL, this copy and this method is a post is a available. Web.php file open and this route post method loan user controller class and this already add this function name is a store. This store is a add. Save file. Let's copy this name loan user store is already add dd $request all and save file. Let's refresh this page. First name is a any blank data is a successfully this all data is a implement automatically generate. This is a add. This data is a first name, last name is a all is a add. Let's click this submit and this all is available. First name, middle name, last name, address, contact, email id in this id, text id successfully set. Let's save file and this new model create. Model name is a create. This new table create. Copy this new loan user underscore this new model create new paste here model.php user and loan and enter. Successfully created. Let's copy this name, copy and paste here. This paste. Successfully paste user. Save file. Let's refresh this loan user in this paste. Successfully this model is a create and include this loan model. Let's copy this and paste. Open this user app http, otherwise model directly model is available. Model and paste here. Save file. Let's copy this and store is available. This store $save is equal to paste new $save this first name, second is a middle name, last name, address, contact us, email and last is a text id. This text id is equal to trim $request add and add save file. Let's copy this, copy this name, paste here, first name, middle name, copy this and this middle name, third is the last name, address, contact us, and this email, tax ID, $save and save. Successfully file save is and add, copy this redirect URL, this redirect, copy this name and paste here. This successfully user in this user name, user and not add only list. Save file. Let's success message is this file is include this underscore message dot blade PHP success message inside this create file. This is a file is a list file is a list file. This list file is already add this underscore message. Let's back button, click this and refresh this page, and this record is not available. Let's include browser, click this and this not a record available. Let's submit, and this name is L Zana, middle name, address is this address is UK, this contact number is a dummy number is add, this ID is a TTYC, S is 40, this ID is add, and click this submit. Successfully loan create is a successfully user. Let's refresh this page. Good working, this first name, middle name and last name, this all good. Next is a email ID is a validation, add this validation, enter, and this validation already include. Let's check this tab file, and this validation is a add, copy this validation and paste here. This same is a paste, unique name is a this name, loan user, this name is a unique. This is a all required, is compulsory is a required, middle name this required, this last name is a required, this all is a compulsory required in this validation. Address, contact us, email, and copy and paste this tax ID and save file. Successfully save file. Save file. Let's different email IDs only include. Let's refresh this page, in this email ID is not a found, but this is a error is a shared. This is a error, this email ID, this different email ID is a add in this message is a show. Let's check this tab, and this add inside this already add. Let's copy this same message, this copy and paste here. This message is a paste. Save file. Let's refresh this page, and this again this email ID, copy this email ID and refresh this page and click this add. Auto filter this data, last name, in this add USA, and this email ID same, this same is email ID add, this same is email ID is add. Let's this ID is add, this ID and this dummy data number is add and submit. This record is successfully submit. Let's refresh this page. This is a 2 times is a email ID is successfully import. Let's save file. Let's check this loan email is required is a unique. required is a unique. Let's check this. Wait. Let's check this. Email ID is a unique. Add this multiple same email ID is a add, and this different email ID sense less condition is a add. New variable. Check email is equal to this loan user account where this field name is available. This field name is available. Email this is equal to dollar request emailer first save. Less condition add if this copy name, this copy and paste else part else is equal to add. This else part is a add. Successfully save. Let's successfully set, and this already available, so this message is a set error message. Let's message set error message. This error message is already include. This message file is include this error message. Copy this name and paste here. Loan user email already created. Already created. Let's check this save file. Let's refresh this page. Otherwise, this click this, and this different email ID is add. This different email ID is add. Copy this name USA and this different email ID. This is the email ID is not available. Let's submit. This is a user successfully created. Let's check this. User is a successfully created. Let's again this email ID is a copy. This email ID, this copy, and again this click this add. Submit form. In this email ID is a add. Let's email ID. This email ID is a copy and this paste here, and this is a submit. This login user ID already email is a created. This email ID is already created. This is a not a new record is a create. As it this user email already created. This is a not a create. This same email ID is a not a create. Good working. This message is a good working. This list file good working. This condition is a successfully working. This fine. Please writing this storage good working, and this web.php 3 out, and sidebar this create. This message file is include this error file. This loan user create this file. Please step by step writing this all file. All successfully index file is a good. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. And this different email ID is a set. This all good. Please my channel subscribe and click this bell icon. This all successfully table is a set. This structure. Thank you.